Alright, here's a quick overview of my project so far. It's basically almost done. Very close. Obviously it needs some polishing. It's going to get some make it look a little bit better, but I don't know, let's do nuclear fusion. I don't know, the funding source, let's just say, how about the Department of Energy. Let's say we're at MIT. It's gonna start today. It's gonna go. Let's just do 3 years. If I click next, it's gonna yell at me. Say, hey, that's not a valid date. Okay, that one's good. So let's move forward. Let's add some people to work on the project. People involved. Some students, myself, a couple other students. Okay, so percent effort. I'll just go through and add some numbers. Whoa, I can't work 119 hours in a week. Okay, next year. So if we go back, we can look at those numbers again. That was pretty challenging to write. Okay, we can change some of these too if we need to. If they're only going to work for some of the year, maybe they're only going to be here for like 10 weeks, whatever. And so we can go back and look at some of the numbers, and it shows that it stays there. And so all these numbers get populated to a main database, or a data table that will eventually get put in the big database. So then we move on to the next thing. So we need to do some flying. We're going to go to, I don't know, I guess we're going to Toronto, Tokyo, Paris. Say we need some per diem. We need San Francisco for 2 different years. We're going to need to do a little research there. I don't know if there's any buses. Oh, we got to take the bus in Portland. Always got to take the bus in Portland. Lodging. Where do we got to go? Let's go to Berlin, I guess. So this would be multiplied by days, but I don't have it set up to do that yet. There's just a couple little flaws still, but in general I can go back and look at all the hours each person is working, go back and edit who's in the project and all these things. And finally, just add a few numbers in here for like just whatever. It's a lot of money. Okay, and so that's for each year. We just got other costs that we need to throw in our database. Finally, we click submit. It takes us here and it shows, hey, our nuclear fusion, sponsored by the Department of Energy. It shows the start and end date. What school we're at or institution is performing the research. This PI number relates to the person who's actually in charge. Right now it just defaults to 1, but it will later on it will default to whoever's logged in and how they relate to the users in the database. in the city that, because you might have Massachusetts, you might have MIT campuses at different cities. Like U of I here in Moscow has a campus at Coeur d'Alene, so I just put the city in there as well. Okay, and then we can say export, so it will export, it'll show all the output here, and if you click download, say we want to do this one or that one, it'll click download and it will download the spreadsheet. And right now this is still just a mock-up spreadsheet, but this is the final and last step that we're working on, and after that it will all be done. So very close at this point.